Hello. Today, you will listen to a short and simple English story. This is a story about a girl named Anna. Anna wanted to speak English. She studied English for many years. She knew many words. She understood her teacher. She understood movies. But she was afraid to speak, very afraid. When someone asked her a question in English, her heart started to beat fast. She thought, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? So she stayed quiet. In class, she never raised her hand. One day, her teacher said, "Anna, please answer the question." Anna felt nervous. Her hands felt cold. Her voice was shaking. She wanted to say nothing. But this time, she tried. She spoke slowly. Her sentence was not perfect. She made a small mistake. She stopped. She waited. But something surprising happened. Nobody laughed. Nobody was angry. Her teacher smiled and said, "Good job, Anna. Keep going." Anna felt surprised. She made a mistake, but everything was okay. The next day, she spoke again. Still slow, still not perfect, but she spoke. Every day, she tried a little more. One sentence, then two sentences, then a short conversation. Weeks passed. Anna was still not perfect, but she was not afraid anymore. She understood something important. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes help us learn. If you never speak, you never improve. Now, Anna speaks English every day. She still makes mistakes, but she smiles because she is learning. If you are afraid to speak English, it is okay. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to try. Speak one sentence today. Just one. Small steps create big change. Keep going. You can do it.